Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Dice Persons. Now I will discuss some exclusive, outstanding Dhakai Jamdani sarees collections only for you. So let me display. This one is a very beautiful one, dark black shade, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, all over Jamdani design work, bright color combinations. This one, black base all over Jamdani buta work, border also beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border all over buta design resham silk cotton resham Dhakai Jamdani all over saree Dhakai work, praise elegant looks. And this one, running blouse piece also plain base with Dhakai border, and pallu portions beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu zari and contrast color threaded weaving Jamdani design worked pallu. And it possesses this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your elegant looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani saree, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, contrast color border all over, beautiful Jamdani design work. This one is, full base part, traditional zari weaving Jamdani buta work all over saree, border also beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border, resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one is border portions fully zari weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, and this one is pallu portions fully contrast color with zari weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani running blouse piece, and it says this kota material Lahriya printed contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your smart looks. And next one, beautiful bright color combinations, yellow and red contrast design, traditional Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani saree. This one is, full base part, red and yellow contrast design all over self Dhakai Jamdani design work. Half portion is red base, half portion is yellow with traditional self Dhakai Jamdani design work. This one is pleats portion, red portion is chest portion, and pallu end also yellow base, patli pallu pattern, yellow base with beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu. And running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and it suggests this cotton fabric embroidery design work contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your smart elegant looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, zari weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, praise elegant looks all over, beautiful zari weaving Dhakai work, resham Dhakai Jamdani, praise baby pink shade, pallu portions beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu all over Dhakai buta all over saree resham Dhakai Jamdani, and this one is border portions beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border all over buta design, soft material lightweight. This one is full base part all over traditional Dhakai Jamdani design. Running, this one is, running blouse piece contrast color with Dhakai border, and it says this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. Next one also, nice color combinations, very beautiful one, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, dark color combinations all over border portions, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work all over buta also, and this one is pallu portions beautiful zari weaving, zari and threaded weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work to pallu, resham Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work all over buta work, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border, phrase elegant looks. And this one, running blouse piece, and it says this cotton fabric Gujarati buta work contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, dark black shade with zari weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, and gold and silver zari, copper golden and silver zari weaving Dhakai Jamdani design work. This one is full base part all over Jamdani buta, copper golden and silver zari weaving Jamdani work, and this one is pallu portions beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu all over Dhakai buta design. This one, full base part all over Jamdani buta work. Border also copper golden zari weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work. and it has this tissue material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. And next one, very beautiful color combination, dark orange shade, zari weaving, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, all over, gold and silver zari weaving, Jamdani design work, jal pattern work, all over sari. This one is border portions, beautiful traditional zari weaving, Dhakai Jamdani design work to border, all over jal work, Resham Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work. Elegant color combinations, and this one, pallu portions, beautiful heavy zari weaving, Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, and this is the silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your smart elegant looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, white base, all over thread and zari weaving, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, all over Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu also, beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu, Resham Dhakai Jamdani, bright color combinations, all over Jamdani work. This one is border portions, also traditional Jamdani design worked border, and this is this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your elegant looks. And next one, nice color combinations, bright fresh rani pink shade, all over beautiful Jamdani design work, fully zari weaving traditional Jamdani design work. This one is full base part, all over Jamdani design, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine zari weaving traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu, all over jal work, fresh elegant looks, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work. This one is border portions, all over Jamdani work, and beautiful color combinations, and which has this tissue material, fully brocade work, contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. Next one also, nice color combinations, bright red shade, all over Dhakai Jamdani design work, bright fresh red shade with self Dhakai Jamdani design work, all over Buta border, also self Dhakai work, fresh elegant looks. This one, beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border, all over Buta design, and pallu also beautiful traditional zari and threaded weaving design work, Jamdani work, all over pallu portions, beautiful color combinations, fresh red shade, all over self Dhakai work, all over Buta design border, also beautiful self weaving Dhakai Jamdani design work. Running blouse piece, also self worked border running blouse piece, and it has this silk material brocade work, contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. And next one, very beautiful color combinations, premium quality Dhakai Jamdani traditional looks, white and red contrast design, contrast color border, all over, beautiful design work, beautiful Jamdani Buta work, border also contrast color with beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked border, white and red contrast border, all over Dhakai Buta, and this one is, pallu portions, beautiful self Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu. Resham Dhakai Jamdani traditional elegant looks, running blouse piece, also Dhakai border running blouse piece, and this cotton fabric Gujarati Buta work, contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. Next one also, nice color combinations, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, Resham Dhakai Jamdani all over work, all over Jamdani design, elegant color combinations. This one, full base part, beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work, multicolor threaded Jamdani design all over saree. This one is border portions, also traditional Jamdani design work, Resham Dhakai Jamdani, little step due to starch. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful traditional Dhakai Jamdani design worked pallu, all over pallu portions, multicolor threaded Jamdani design. Running blouse piece, also Dhakai border, and this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your smart elegant looks. And next one also, nice color combinations, traditional Dhakai Jamdani design work of white shade, beautiful all over Jamdani design work. This one is full base part, multi-color threaded Jamdani design work. Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani. This one is Pallu portions. Beautiful traditional Jamdani design worked Pallu. Resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one is full base part all over Jamdani design. Little stiff due to starch. This one is running blouse piece, also beautiful Jamdani design worked border running blouse piece, and this is the silk material, nice printed contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your elegant looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful color combination. Sorry, Dhakai Jamdani, half portion is traditional Dhakai Jamdani with self work, half portion is kota base with beautiful hand painted design. This one is beautiful self Dhakai Jamdani design work. Pallu and also Jamdani design work pallu end. Beautiful certain designer blouse. Blouse is cotton fabric. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.